Window installation is a crucial service for homeowners in Notus ID looking to enhance their property's energy efficiency and aesthetic appeal, especially when considering window replacement. Notus ID for long-term comfort and performance. With a focus on energy-efficient windows, Notus ID window services offer a range of options, including double-pane windows and vinyl windows, to suit every need and budget. Whether you're interested in custom windows or need a reliable window contractor, Notus ID has you covered. Energy-efficient windows. Notus ID are designed to reduce energy costs and improve comfort in your home. By choosing double-pane windows Notus ID, you can significantly decrease heat loss during winter and keep your home cooler in the summer. Notus ID window installation experts can guide you through the selection process, ensuring you choose the best options for your specific needs. Window installation services. Notus ID are essential for maintaining the integrity and functionality of your windows. From window frame installation Notus ID to window glass replacement Notus ID, skilled professionals can address any issues you may encounter. Notus ID window sealing and window caulking services are also available to prevent drafts and leaks, ensuring your home remains energy efficient. For those seeking a window upgrade, Notus ID offers a variety of options, including custom windows Notus ID and vinyl window replacement Notus ID. These upgrades not only enhance the appearance of your home but also improve its energy efficiency. Notus ID window contractor services ensure a seamless installation process, providing peace of mind for homeowners. Window maintenance. Notus ID is vital for prolonging the lifespan of your windows. Regular inspections and timely installations, such as window sash installation Notus ID and window screen replacement Notus ID, can prevent more significant issues down the line. Notus ID window fitting services ensure that your windows are installed correctly and function optimally. Window insulation. Notus ID is a key component of energy-efficient homes. By investing in proper insulation, you can reduce energy consumption and lower utility bills. Notus ID window caulking and window glazing services further enhance insulation, providing an additional layer of protection against the elements. Window hardware and window sash installation. Notus ID are essential for maintaining the functionality and security of your windows. Whether you need new locks, handles, or hinges, Notus ID window hardware services can provide the necessary components to keep your windows in top condition. Window weatherproofing. Notus ID is crucial for protecting your home from the harsh elements. By investing in window weatherproofing services, you can prevent water damage and extend the life of your windows. Notus ID window trim installation and window leak installation services are also available to address any issues that may arise. Window pane replacement and window refurbishment are excellent options for homeowners looking to restore the beauty and functionality of their windows. Notus ID window services offer comprehensive solutions for residential window replacement, ensuring your home remains comfortable and energy efficient. For top-notch window installation in Notus ID, look no further than our expert window contractor services. Specializing in energy-efficient windows, we provide custom windows tailored to your specific needs. Our window fitting services ensure a perfect installation every time, whether you're upgrading to double-pane windows or opting for vinyl windows. Trust our Notus ID window installation team for all your home window services. Window installation services in Notus ID are essential for maintaining the integrity of your home. Our skilled technicians offer comprehensive window frame installation, window sash installation, and window leak installation to keep your windows in top condition. We also provide window glass replacement and window pane replacement to restore clarity and functionality. Choose our Notus ID window installation services for reliable and efficient solutions. Enhance your home's energy efficiency with our window insulation and window caulking services in Notus ID. Our window sealing techniques prevent drafts and improve comfort, while our window weatherproofing solutions protect against the elements. For added durability, consider our window glazing and window hardware upgrades. Our Notus ID window maintenance services ensure your windows perform optimally year-round. Upgrade your home with residential window replacement in Notus ID. Our window refurbishment services offer a fresh look and improved performance. From window screen replacement to window trim installation, we handle all aspects of window maintenance. Our Notus ID window upgrade options include energy-efficient windows and custom designs to suit your style. Trust our Notus ID window contractor for seamless home window replacement. For vinyl window replacement in Notus ID, our team provides expert installation and installation services. Our Notus ID window services include window glass replacement and window frame installation to ensure your windows are both beautiful and functional. With our window sash installation and window screen replacement, your windows will look and perform like new. Choose our Notus ID window contractor for all your vinyl window needs. Our Notus ID window sealing and window caulking services are designed to enhance your home's energy efficiency. By preventing air leaks and improving insulation, our window weatherproofing solutions keep your home comfortable year-round. Our window glazing and window hardware upgrades add durability and style. Trust our Notus ID window maintenance team for comprehensive window care. For custom windows in Notus ID, our window contractor offers personalized solutions to meet your unique needs. From design to installation, our Notus ID window fitting services ensure a perfect fit and finish. Whether you're looking for energy-efficient windows or double-pane windows, our team provides expert guidance and installation. Choose our Notus ID window services for custom window solutions. Window maintenance in Notus ID is crucial for preserving the longevity and performance of your windows. Our window refurbishment services include window trim installation, window leak installation, and window pane replacement. With our Notus ID window upgrade options, you can enhance your home's appearance and efficiency. Trust our Notus ID window contractor for all your window maintenance needs.